Are you ready for the tacos?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm always ready for tacos. Always.
Okay, let's go. It's busy, lots of people waiting in the line. Let's see how long it's gonna take to get in. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenas noches. ¿Me das una tacos de longaniza, una adobada, una azteca? Ah, sí, todos. Gracias. Algo más, una quesadilla longaniza, por favor. So many. It's like 6 different kinds of salsas.
Agua de plátano.
It's not too sweet. It's perfectly balanced. It's just loaded with meat, perfectly marinated. It's really soft. This salsa has a very unique taste. It's made with peanuts. It is spicy. The peanut flavor is quite strong, but it's going really well with the quesadilla. Next, we got with nopal. This salsa is actually really spicy. So good.
I think you are becoming Mexican here.
How much do you like these tacos?
So much.
More than me?
No.